All right. Welcome, everyone, to today's exciting episode. We're diving deep into a topic that's not just essential for English learners, but is super relatable. Navigating the supermarket checkout lane. There's something uniquely satisfying about finally reaching that checkout after a long shopping spree. But have you ever found yourself just standing there with a full cart and then suddenly realizing that you forgot all about the produce section?
Oh my gosh, yes. I can't tell you how many times I've left the store thinking I've got everything, only to realize I forgot the milk.
Exactly. And believe it or not, those little moments can turn into great opportunities to learn some practical English phrases. Like when you're at the express checkout lane, the one for people with, 15 items or fewer. It's such a good example. If you accidentally show up with 16 items, suddenly you're the villain in this mini supermarket drama.
Haha, right. And who knew there was an actual rule? What if I hide my 16th item in my jacket pocket just to sneak through? Laughs.
Oh, you would definitely give the cashier a run for their money. But seriously, listening for phrases like, put your items on the belt, can be super useful. The belt is that moving part where groceries slide down to be scanned, almost like a grocery conveyor belt of destiny.
That sounds like something out of a cartoon. But what if there were a conveyor belt that just delivered all the groceries to your kitchen? Like, boom, you're home and unpacked in seconds.
Haha, wouldn't that be fantastic? Hey robot, deliver my pizza too. But back to reality. Let's not forget about coupons. Those little pieces of paper can actually save you some serious cash if you remember to check their expiration dates.
Oh yes, the dreaded, expired moment. You hand over your beautifully collected coupons, and the cashier says, "Sir, these coupons expired yesterday." Talk about deflating.
You got that right. It's like, darn. Oh well, I guess it's just not my day. Here's where those casual phrases come in really handy. If you're feeling frustrated, they help you convey your sentiment without being, rude.
Right. Like, cut me some slack. That one's gold. But what if you were really in a hurry? Do you just, push your way through with your items like a grocery ninja?
Haha. Well, you should definitely avoid that. No one wants to be known as the grocery ninja with a reputation for chaos in the checkout lane. It's all about manners, And don't forget the club card. It's like having a VIP pass to discounts.
Club cards? It's just like having backstage access at a concert, but for groceries, right? Does everyone at the grocery store have one? Or do you kind of have to be part of an elite club?
Oh, it's definitely a grocery elite club. Everyone has their own special membership card that unlocks discounts and rewards. Speaking of which, have you ever asked for cash back?
Cash back? That's like a little treat. But what happens if I ask for too much and then realize I owe my friend money? Laughs.
You'd be in a real pickle there. That's why it's usually wise to stick to an amount that won't empty your wallet unnecessarily. It's all about being prepared.
Exactly. This is wild. It's like a whole language that dances around everyday life. I love it.
And that's the beauty of it. Everyday experiences like grocery shopping are packed with opportunities to learn and practice English. So folks, the next time you hit the supermarket, remember these phrases, and you might just impress your cashier with your new vocabulary.
I can't wait to try it out. Thanks for all the tips. I'm feeling super ready for my next grocery run. Laughs.
Fantastic! And remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be shy. That's our lesson for today. Happy shopping, everyone!
Watch out for those express lanes. Bye, everyone. Can't wait for the next episode.